Excel enthusiasts. Welcome back to Educate's Cube, Advanced Microsoft Excel Power Query Tutorial, your channel for all things like Excel, data analysis, and business analytics. Today, we have got a magic trick using Excel Power Query. Whether you're importing data from a single text file or multiple files, Power Query makes it easy, quick, and effective. And I would also like to mention learning Power Query also helps you to build a solid foundation power for our Power BI developer role, making it an essential skill for everyone, for anyone in data analytics. Okay, now for those who are new to Power Query, Power Query is one of Excel's most powerful tools. It allows you to connect, transform, and load data from multiple sources. It is available in Microsoft 365, Excel 2013, Excel 2016, and onwards. If you are familiar with Get and Transform, that's actually Power Query under the hood. Today, we are going to see how it works importing data from Excel files or multiple text files. So let's start simple to import data from single or multiple text files into Excel using Power Query. We have got some data related to calls. So, okay, imagine you have calls data in a text file and you want to analyze in Excel. Okay, so let's move to our uh, let's open our Excel and let's head over to the data tab. In the data tab, to select a text or CSV file, you can either go to this get data and from file section, you can select this from text or CSV, or there is an alternative way. You can also click from here from text and CSV. Okay, let's click over here, up, up, select your file. I will go to my file and select the one file and just import it. Okay, so right now we are importing just a single file, right? And just after a few minutes, we also be covering how to import together multiple files. Okay, now click on transform data over here. Here you go. So all the particular data and that particular text file is coming in this Power Query right now. We just need to click on this, close and load, and all the data will populate over here. Okay. Now here comes the real matching, porting multiple text files from a folder into Excel at once. Okay. What you need to do for that, head over to the data tab, get to the get data, and from file option here you can see from folder option. And this particular from folder option, I'm going to select my that particular folder. In this Power Query Excel exercise file, I have got all my exercise files. Okay, to get the access of this, you can my watch my previous video. In the end, I have told you how to get this particular file so that you are also side by side practicing this. Okay, now just click on this open. Now here you can see all the files over here has been selected over here. Just need to click on transform data. After that, Power Query will open. And what thing I also give you as a tip. Okay. So whatever the name is over here, Power Query, for example, Power Query exercise file is written over here. Okay. It will be uh, your worksheet name. Okay. Now, in this particular folder, I was having my Excel X file, CSV file, and plus a TXT file. But what my main motive is to select all the text files, multiple text files. Okay, what I can do here in the extension, I will go and filter out my data. Okay, and just selecting TXT files over here. Hey, here you go. Okay, now what I can do. Uh, Yes, yeah. Now I will just right click on this and click on remove other columns. Okay. Now here you can see I'm hovering on this particular icon. This is combine files. As soon as I click on this particular icon, all the data in on those particular files will get appended. And I will also want to give another tip for you. Whenever you are appending, trying to append similar kind of data, you always need to mention in every file the column name should be in the exact form with the exact name, and the data type should also be the same for that particular column as well. Okay. Now we are going to click on this combine files. Let's wait for it. Yes, this pop-up is over here. Just click on OK button here. Okay. Okay. So all of your data now is coming up here. You can click on close and load, and your data will come start populating over here. Okay. Now, what you can say, we have some special advantage for you for this. Okay. Now, first advanced tip is like, let's first of all, let's just validate this data. Okay. In my each file, I was having 18 rows. Okay. Now the total count should be 54. So from here, we can see the total count is 50 rows loaded. That helps me validate. Okay. But in my current scenario, okay, in industry scenario, what the manager wants, he wants my source file name as well. Okay. So my second tip is how to get the source file name over here as well along with the data. Okay. So what we can do, we can go back to the data tab and go select data. And sorry, just crossing over here. Just select launch your Power Query header here. Now I want my name as well. Okay. What you can do, just remove these steps over here. Okay. Now to get the file name, what you need to do, first select this content column and then select this your name column. Okay. Now right click on this and click on remove other columns. Okay. Now you can also change the name of this column name. So I want to give the name like source file name. Okay, this is my source file name. Now what I will do, I will just click on this combine files icon. Okay, it will append all the data, but still you won't be getting your the source file name. Okay, after doing this also. There are some more additional steps that we need to do. Okay, so let's check first the file name is coming over here or not. Okay, so slowly we are going moving towards right side. Okay, okay, okay. So I didn't found my source file name over here. What I need to do to get the file name, just remove these steps. Okay, and till invoke custom function, I removed my previous steps. Now what I need to do, I will just click on this content column and just right click on it and remove it. Okay. Now in this transform file, I am getting this icon to expand it. Okay. In this, if I click on this particular table, you can see in this below over here, all the data is coming over here. Okay. So I need to click on this expand button right now. Eh, Now, I also click on this use original column name as prefix. Else, if you give in the column name will be coming like this source file name dot product voc or source file name dot version voc. I want my file, sorry, my column name as it is as they in my data source. So I will uncheck this original column name as prefix and click on OK. Oh, here you go. So all your data is now started populating over here along with your source file name. Okay, you can just click over here, close and load. Now it's loading. Now here you can see all the data is coming here. Now to validate it whether it's coming right or not, you just select all the data and click on Alt DP. Okay. Now click on finish. Select your source file name here in the rows and the values. Bring the source file name. Here you can see in every file I have got 18 rows and in overall there are 54 records. Okay, that's helped me to validate it. Okay, and that's how you can validate your data, how it is coming. Okay, Power Query allows you do so much more. You can filter data, remove duplicates, create custom column, and much more without messing up data. What an additional thing I want let you know, want you know, is that from here, okay, you can also click on this, uh, remove duplicates. Okay, so as soon as you can click on remove duplicates, all the duplicate values will be removed from here. Okay, let's click on this. Let's remove duplicates. Yes, you can see only three file distinct file names is coming over here. Okay, so just remove this particular step over here and click close and load. Okay, now my third tip is over here for Power Query is yeah, you can even automate this process for future use. Whenever new files are added to the folder, Power Query can automatically pull in that data with a simple refresh. Okay, and the refresh button is in this data tab. Here is the refresh all option. Either you can click on refresh all, or you can select your particular query and click on refresh button. Okay. So whenever new files are added to the folder, Power Query can automatically pull in all with a single refresh. Okay, and that's how easy it is to import data from single or multiple text files into Excel using Power Query. Whether you are beginner on an or an advanced Excel user, this trick will save you tons of time, especially when working with large data sets. Okay. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Educate Cube, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Drop any question or feedback in the comments below, and as always, keep exploring the magic of Excel. Check out our free Power Query training series and our SQL tutorials to level up your data analytics game. Thank you, everyone. We will be meeting our next video. Till then, bye bye.